How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import objects in ZBrush. So basically, I have my project open up right here. And if you want to start importing objects, it's extremely easy to do. Head over to the tool section. It's going to be this small area right here. And then you want to click on the import button, import 3D mesh. And of course, from here, let's go ahead and look for our object. So in my case, I'm going to be importing this object right here, which is an STL file. Of course, there's a lot of files supported onto the ZBrush, so you could just go ahead and check for yourself whether your file type is supported or not. Now, unfortunately, due to the size of the objects that I've imported, I think my application has crashed right here, but generally that's how you do it. It is extremely simple. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.